Welcome back to Korean Ladder. I'm Alice, your fellow learner, climbing one rung at a time.
안녕하세요. I'm Hana. Today we clear up one of Korean's biggest pronunciation mysteries.
안녕하세요. I'm Junho. Once you hear this rule, dozens of words suddenly make sense.
Okay, real question. I learned the word oars, clothes, but when I say it, it comes out like odd. Where did the sius go?
좋은 질문이에요. You didn't say it wrong. That is how 옷 is pronounced. The 시옷 hasn't disappeared. It just changed clothes.
This is called 받침 중화, Batchim neutralization. At the end of a syllable, several different consonants collapse into one single 디귿 sound.
Here are the guilty ones. At the end of a syllable, 시옷, 쌍시옷, 지읒, 치읒, tit, he, and 휴 all stop sounding like themselves and become a 디귿.
The reason is simple. At the end of a syllable, your tongue just stops the air. It never releases to make the hiss of 시옷 or the buzz of 지읒. A stopped tongue is a 디귿.
Oh, so it's not that the sius is silent. My mouth just never finishes it.
정확해요. Let's hear 4 of them. First, 옷, clothes, spelled with 시옷, spoken like 옷.
Next, not daytime. That's a 지읒 at the end, but it stops as 닷.
그리고 꽃, flower, a 치 at the end. But again, it stops as 꽃.
And 밭, field. Ting at the end, spoken as 밭. 4 different letters, one identical sound. 밭?
Let me try them all. Or not got bad.
완벽해요. You landed all 4 on the same sound. That's exactly the point.
In English, this is like the t in the word cat. You set your tongue, but don't puff it out. Same idea.
그래서 the secret is 안 터뜨려요. Don't pop it. Set the tongue. Stop the breath and let it sit.
If you do release it, you get an English style 아따, and that sounds foreign to Korean ears.
So no tiny at the end, just full stop.
이제 let's hear it in real speech. Listen to how Junho and I use these words together. 이 꽃 예뻐요.
네, 낮에 사왔어요.
옷도 새 옷이네요.
밭에서 일하고 갈아입었어요.
Wait, in the dialogue, got alone sounded like got, but 꽃이 sounded totally different. What happened?
아, 좋은 기회요. Here's the magic. When a vowel follows the batchim, the consonant wakes up and slides forward into that next syllable.
So 옷 with the subject particle 이 becomes 옷이, and you hear the 시옷 again, 옷이.
그리고 꽃 becomes 꽃이, and the 치 comes back. 꽃이, not 꽃이.
So the letter was never gone. It was just waiting for a vowel to lean on. 꽃이.
정확해요. Alone, the tongue stops. Before a vowel, it releases forward into the next syllable.
One more. 밭, then 밭대, in the field. Here, the T jumps forward into the next syllable. 밭대 sounds like 밭에. Alone, though, 밭.
Bat, bait, got it. The tut pops back to life the moment the e shows up.
One caution, though. Before the vowel E, specifically, T and 디귿 don't just slide back. They change into a 치 or 지읒 sound. 밭이 comes out as 밭이, not 밭이.
So the rule of thumb, alone, these endings all stop as 디귿. Before most vowels, they slide forward. Just remember, 티잉 and 디귿 turn into 치읓 and 지읒 before 이.
이제 repeat after me. Careful. Stop the ending when it's alone. Slide it when a vowel follows. 옷,
옷, 옷이, and 꽃, 꽃이.
좋아요. Your stop was clean and your slide was smooth. That's the whole skill in 2 words.
Now the mistake English speakers make most. They pronounce these words by their spelling, saying a clear z in o like the English z.
The fix. Trust your ears, not the letters. When the word stands alone, every one of these endings is just a stopped 디귿.
작은 퀴즈. You see the written word 밥해 in the field. How is it actually pronounced?
The E pulls the tut forward, and isn't I. So no, syuk. Change. I'll say A. 바트.
정답은 A. 밭에. The T slides forward into 에 and stays a T. It would only become 밭이 before the vowel E, and 밭에 was never possible at all.
좋아요. Let's lock in today's core. Here are the rules to keep.
다시 한번. 혼자 있으면 다 디귿이에요. Alone, they're all a 디귿. 그리고 안 터뜨려요. And you don't release it.
그리고 뒤에 모음이 오면 소리가 넘어가요. A vowel wakes the sound up. 옷이 옷이, 꽃이 꽃이, 밭에 밭에.
And the one exception I'll remember, tut and digut turn into syuk and zhij before bati is batchi, not bati.
여기 오늘의 핵심 문장이에요. 오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요.
Next time we finish the family, the 기역 group and the 비읍 group, which neutralize the very same way. 다음에 또 만나요.
혼자면 디귿, 모음 앞이면 넘어가요. I'll practice all week. Thanks for climbing with us. See you on the next rung of Korean ladder.